In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save extracted audio in CapCut PC. If you need to pull a voiceover, a sound effect, or background music out of a video clip and save it as its own audio file. CapCut makes the process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the easiest way to separate the audio from your video and export it so you can use it on its own later. To begin, make sure your video clip is already placed on the timeline in CapCut PC. The first thing we need to do is separate the sound from the video itself. To do that, go down to your timeline, right-click directly on the video clip, and choose a separate audio. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl, Shift, and S at the same time. As soon as you do this, CapCut instantly extracts the audio from the video and places it on its own audio track right below the original clip. This is helpful because now the sound is no longer locked to the video, which means you can work with it independently and export only the audio. Once the audio has been separated, the next step is to set up the export correctly. Look to the top right corner of the CapCut window and click the bright blue Export button. This opens the Export Settings window, where you can choose exactly what CapCut saves for you. Since the goal here is to export only the extracted audio, find the option for video exporting and uncheck that box. Then locate audio exporting and make sure that box is turned on. This tells CapCut to skip creating a video file and instead generate an audio file from the track you just separated. Now it's time to save the file. In the audio exporting section, click the Format drop-down menu. You'll usually want to choose MP3 if you need a standard audio file that works almost everywhere and keeps the file size smaller. If you want uncompressed, higher quality audio, choose WAV instead. After that, select the folder on your computer where you want the file to be saved, then click Export. CapCut will process the audio and save it as a standalone file in the location you chose. And that's it. Your extracted audio is now saved and ready to use however you need.